Hi guys, it's Nikki, creator of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I would like to teach you how to make this beautiful plaid placemat. You can easily change the color to make it reflect your theme. This I created for Thanksgiving, so I did use orange, red, and brown to reflect the time of the season. So this is made very easily with double crochet. I carried my yarn with me during that process. Let me zoom in so you can see a little bit closer what I'm about to tell you. Per square right here, we're going to use double crochet, 4 double crochet and 2 rows. Then we're going to change color to the next one and repeat that. So we have 2 colors per row that we're worrying about, okay? Then the next row, we're going to do a change. We'll move the red first and then do the orange. And then repeat that over and over again. We do that until we finished our piece, and then we're going to do a round of single crochet and then a round of reverse single crochet, which is also known as the crab stitch. For this tutorial, I will only show you a little swatch to show you how to do this technique in general, and then show you how to do the border. The entire free crochet pattern is written on my website. So please take a look there so you know the entire piece in total, and reference this video to help you understand how to do the plaid as well as the border. I used worsted weighted yarn. I used Premier Yarns Deborah Norville Everyday Yarn Collection in 3 colors, orange, red, and chocolate brown. And I used a 5mm hook, a tapestry needle, and some scissors. So let's get started. You're going to start out with a chain of 12 plus 1. That 1 here is a different color. It is the color that we're starting out with right here. The reason I started with orange first is because that's going to be the border all the way around, and I'm trying to prevent other colors from peeking through, and I want this border, this side of the border, to look exactly like this side. So that is why we're starting with a chain in orange. Now we're going to drop that color and now worry about the brown. We're going to start out with a single crochet in that first stitch of the orange, and now we're going to place another single crochet right on top, because so on the left loop right here we're going to go through and place another single crochet, which is called a alternative turning chain. If you don't know what that means, just look it up on my website or my YouTube channel. Now I'm going to crochet double crochets because now I reached the height of that. I'm going to do 3 additional ones after the turning chain, and then I'm going to change color. I carry my yarn with me, my yarn end right here, and now I reached 2 loops on my hook, and now I need to change color to red because that's going to be the next color. Always change color during the last loop or during the last step of a stitch. Okay, I'm going to carry my ends as well as my brown with me, and now I'm going to do 4 double crochets in red, just pull your ends a little bit so it don't peek through too much. Again, during the last double crochet, you're changing colors. In this case, you're changing back to brown. Make sure you keep your yarn organized while you're crocheting. That means I have my brown in front of me, as you can see right here, and my red on the left side of me, and my orange on the right side of me. So when I turn in a second, you're going to see me move my red yarn to make sure it doesn't get tangled up later on. At the end of the row, we're going to turn. Now we're going to do brown again. So I'm just going to finish with that brown and turn. I'm going to drop my ends. But now, as you can see, I need my red to be up here. But it's kind of underneath my orange. So I'm going to pick up my red and I move it around so it won't be tangled the orange. I'm going to continue with my brown and carry my red with me. Again, I need to do a alternative turning chain. So one single crochet and then place another single crochet stacked right on top. Now we reach the height of a double crochet, and now we're going to do 3 more double crochets in brown, and then switch colors during the last double crochet. Always pull your yarn at just a hint so it doesn't hang loosely while you're carrying it with you. Now we're going to change colors again. So the red goes to my left here, but I'm still going to carry it with me. So now we're going to change colors completely. That means we finished the brown so far, and now we're going here into red and orange. The red is right above the brown, as you can see right here. So that means we're going to drop our brown and pick up our orange. But because the red is right above, we need to finish the last stitch with the brown with the red. Okay, so now we're going to drop our brown and pick up our orange. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to carry my orange with me because I don't want it to lay over, and I also don't want to cut it. So now we're going to do a alternative turning chain with the red. That means one single crochet right here and one stacked one right on top. Now the next we're going to do 3 more double crochets in the red, then change colors during the last stitch. So make sure you don't pull your yarn too far because this is just hanging right here, and we're going to weave that in as we do the border later on. So now we need to change colors back to red. We have to do 1 more row in the same way. That means we're now going to do red again. I need to make sure my orange is in the right spot. Now as you can see here, it's kind of tangling with the brown, so I need to move my orange. So now I have it loosely right here. Again, we're going to do a alternative turning chain while carrying our orange. 3 more double crochets in red. Change our color at the very last one, right here. So we're going to drop our red, pick up our orange, finish that stitch, do 4 double crochets in orange, change color again to the red, okay, so now since this is just a swatch, I'm going to stop right here and pretend I did the entire piece of the placemat. I'm now going to just do the border all the way around for you. Okay, so we're going to cut our red and our brown and move that yarn to the side so it won't get tangled with the rest. And now we're just going to finish up that last stitch with our orange right here. And now we're going to do an orange border all the way around. So let me explain to you what that means. Per double crochet, and I'm talking about the height right here. So when you look at the side for the row side right here, per double crochet we want 2 stitches on the edge. That means we're going to have 4 single crochets right here for one color. So, and then we're going to have 4 again over here. We have 1 additional one for the corner, and then we have 4 this way, 4 over here, 4 over here, a corner stitch, 4 here, 4 here, and then the same up here. Okay, and then we're going to do the reverse single crochet. So let's start. So make sure, if you can't see it, just place your single crochets evenly so that per color you're going to have on each edge 4. So here you can see I have 4, and I weave in my ends here at the same time. So I placed 1 for brown. I'm going to here do another 1 for brown. Okay, so 4 on that side. Now do 1 in the corner, and now do 4 more over here. Sometimes that means that the corner and then the first stitch of the 4 will be in the same stitch. So now we're doing 4 for the red right here. Four for the brown again. Okay, so we have now 1, 2, 3 for the brown. We're at the corner. We're going to do 1 over here for that side, 1 for the corner, and now we're going to work 4 this way. So I have some leftover yarn again. I'm going to just carry that around with me. Make sure you don't pull it as I just did. Just place your single crochets evenly if you can't see exactly where to put them. Alright, so now I'm back at the corner. I did 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need to do 1 for the corner. Now this is one of the stitches of the 4 right here, so I need to do another 1 over here. And 1, 2, 3, so that makes it 4 in total. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 1 in the corner also for the corner stitch. Now 4 for orange right here, and 4 for red. And because we haven't done the corner stitch, we need to do that one as well. Now we're slip stitch. I do a hidden slip stitch from the back. And now we finished the first round all the way around. Now we're going to go the other way around, this way, to do the reversed single crochet, also known as the crab stitch. So let me do a chain of 1 so it's easier. Okay, so you're going to literally just go the other way around. So here's the next stitch. Pull up my yarn so it looks like a single crochet, and I'll just finish it as a single crochet, but I'm just going to go the other way around. So which means a left-handed person is going to go to the left and a right-handed person is going to go to the right. So because that stitch, as you can see right here, is a bit longer than a normal single crochet, I do not place additional stitches in the corner because it would just make it wavy. So we don't want that. So just keep on going. Pretend this is just a flat piece. So let me show you that it's not curling right here. So you want to just keep on going in the corner, in each stitch 1 reverse single crochet. You're going to do this all the way around until the end, and then weave in the leftover ends you have, and then you're done. So again, this was just a swatch to show you how to do this technique, the plaid technique, for the placemat in double crochet. So as you can see right here, this is the entire piece. Well, you cannot see it on the camera, the entire piece, but you see this right here. And then it has the border all the way around. Again, the free crochet pattern is written on my website, so take a look there in order to get the entire free pattern for you. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as all my other Facebook and as well as all my other social media pages. Thanks for watching. Bye!